How to turn off and disable checkboxes on Yahoo Mail app. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to Yahoo. Now as you can see, this is the home page. All what you have to do now is simple. Go to the top corner, click on your profile, click on settings. Now all what you have to do is scroll down until you find show checkboxes, and here is it right here. Now click here and it's turned it off successfully. It's so easy, as you can see, so easy and fast. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching until the end. See you later.